Fun with mud. Number 8.
Yeah.
Fun with mud. Number 8.
Yeah. Yeah.
Fun with mud. Number 8.
Okay.
Fun with mud. Number 8.
Okay, next page.
Mud cookies.
Muito bem.
Mud cake. Mud pies. They're doing with the stick? That's funny.
Yeah.
Mud with McDonald's.
Donuts.
Fun with donuts.
Mud donuts.
Mud donuts.
Yes.
Fun with
Mud.
mud with cupcake.
Muffins.
I don't know muffins.
And this one you forgot. Mud.
Mud
Mud.
with bread.
Bread. No, there is no word. Just bread.
Bread.
And this, what is this?
Mud. May I make sale?
Bake sale, yes.
Sale.
Bake sale, yeah.
Maybe those guys going to be sick.
Why?
Because mud are yucky.
Mud is a yucky, right? Mud, how is mud in Portuguese? É? Mud is terra. Yeah. Eles estão fazendo biscoitinhos na terrinha, na terra. Bolo. Depois eles vão vender. Bake sale. Right? E o comilão do Lucas está aqui comendo uma uvinha. E você vai comer essa uva?
This uva's dirty, Mom.
Você quer fazer mais homework ou acabou?
Acabou.
Ok, next time, right? So say bye-bye.
Mommy, I already do this one.
Você quer fazer esse?
I didn't do this one.
Depois, mais tarde, a gente faz esse, tá bom?
Mommy, there's 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Muito bem. Good counting. Ok. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, fala.
Bye, bye, Coco.
Manda beijo.
Bye, bye, Coco.
Time to eat a fruit now.
I like food.
Ah,
I watch TV.
Ok. Você acabou o trabalho de casa, é de ver TV, né?
Why? Poo-poo.
Oh.
Stop it,
Uh-oh.
Stop it, Pitty. Stop it, you Pitty.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Pitty.
Mhm.